Anambra State, are you ready for the most anticipated comedy show of the year? It's Comedy Undiluted with Onyobodo. Anambra Most Wanted, a comedy like never before with the best and kings of comedy from the southeastern region of Nigeria. Comedy by Uncle SP, Onyobodo, Ugwefi I Go Talk, Main Market Man, Apama Ebigwe, Two Can Talk, Twin Parrots, MC Ichie, Da Saint, MC Executive, Prince Neche, Comedian Black Albino, Wokobo Afime, Lord Zeus, MC True Mike, Star One on One, Music Policy, DJ Sleeky, Musical Guest Artist, Mr. Rock. Date is 4th of January 2020. Venue, Oma Event Center, Oka, opposite Dr. Alex Ekweme Square by Aroma Junction, Anambra State. Time, red carpet 8 p.m. Main show 8:30 p.m. Tickets, regular 1,000, VIP 3,000, couple 20,000, family table of 6 50,000. Tickets available at Black and White Salon, ShopRite, Onitsha, Swiss Park Hotel, Newi, X-Fit Event Center, Oka, Coswilla Hotels, Oka. For ticket reservation, you can call 090-288-08939. Comedy Undiluted with Onyobodo, Nkaga de Kwaba.